Hello friends, welcome to my channel You Go Tech, where I share tips and tricks on how to become a successful YouTuber. Today I want to talk to you about the most important factor that will determine your success, the mindset. You see, your mindset is the way you think and feel about yourself, your goals and your challenges. It affects how you approach your YouTube journey, how you deal with setbacks, and how you celebrate your achievements. Your mindset can either help you or hinder you in becoming a YouTuber. There are two types of mindsets that you can have: a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. A fixed mindset is when you believe that your abilities and talents are fixed and cannot be changed. You think that you are either good or bad at something and there is nothing you can do to improve. You avoid challenges, give up easily, ignore feedback, and feel threatened by others' success. Your growth mindset is when you believe that your abilities and talents can be developed through hard work, learning, and feedback. You think that you can improve at anything if you put in the effort and practice. You embrace challenges, persist in the face of obstacles, seek feedback, and learn from others' success. Which mindset do you think is more conducive to becoming a YouTuber? Of course, it is the growth mindset. A growth mindset will help you to overcome the common challenges that every YouTuber faces, such as finding your niche and audience, creating engaging and original content, growing your channel and subscribers, monetizing your videos and earning revenue, dealing with criticism and haters, balancing your YouTube and personal life. Growth mindset will also help you to enjoy the process of becoming a YouTuber. Rather than focusing on the outcome, you will see every video as an opportunity to learn, improve, and express yourself. You will appreciate every subscribers, comment, and like as a sign of your progress and impact. You will celebrate every milestone, big or small, as a result of your hard work and dedication. So, how can you develop a growth mindset? Here are some tips that I have learned from my own experience and from other successful YouTubers. Set realistic and specific goals for your YouTube channel. For example, instead of saying, I want to be a famous YouTuber, say, I want to reach the 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Break down your goals into smaller and manageable steps. For example, instead of saying, I want to make a viral video, say, I want to make a video that gets 1000 views in a first week. Track your progress and measure your results. For example, use analytic tools to see how your videos are performing, how your audience is responding, and how your channel is growing. Seek feedback and learn from it. For example, ask your viewers for suggestions, comments, and questions. Listen to their options and preferences. Learn from your mistakes and failure. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Join a community of other YouTubers who share your needs and goals. Collaborate with them, learn from them, and support them. Collaborate your achievements and rewards yourself. For example, when you reach a goal, share it with your audience. Thanks them for their support and treat yourself to something you enjoy. Friends, I hope this video has inspired you to adopt a growth mindset and to pursue your YouTube dreams. Remember, your mindset will make you a YouTuber before 2024. If you believe in yourself and work hard, you have the potential to create amazing content and to reach millions of people. You just need unleash it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new video. Also, let me know in the comment below what your YouTube goals are. and how you are working towards them. I would love to hear from you and to support you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.